Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am first of all grateful that you can tune into another tutorial video. As you saw in the title, it is a chopstick trick. It's called the Spiderweb Chopsticks, and it's a homemade trick, and this is what it looks like. That is the chopstick, or the Spiderweb Chopsticks right there. And so how you want to do it is you first need to learn, the first part is a little bit harder, but if you can figure it out, it works really well. This is the motion of it. What you want to do is you want to like make a slingshot, so you spread your hand out wide like you're going to do a high five, but then you pull the string back through your hand like this. And then after you do that, you pull it back, and you want to wrap it around the back of your hand and latch it onto your thumb, like that. So in fast motion it looks like that. And then what you want to do is that part right there you can learn with a dead yo-yo. But the other part, you'll need to have it spinning because it just won't work. So let's get the spider web ready, and then you get into a trapeze. And then you have to go into chopsticks, and then transfer the chopsticks to your ring finger. So usually you chopstick over your pointer, but in this you transfer it to your ring. And then you have to, from there, let go of the link on your thumb. So you have this, and when it's on the trapeze, you have to let go, or drop the link on your thumb, but you have to keep the link staying in place, so there's a little bit of slack motion going on there. So as you can see, if I drop this part, then it just stays like that if I pinch with the thumb right here. And then from there, you have to start up your yo-yo again, and then do the motion, trapeze, chopstick, transfer it to your ring finger, so then it looks like this, and then drop and pinch with your thumb, and whip it over your pointer finger.
Drop and pinch with your thumb and whip it over your pointer finger.
So then it should look like in a design like this. And then from there, this is probably the hardest part of the whole thing. You have to take all of the strings off and bring them all under the bearing of the yo-yo. And then it'll bring you to the spiderweb chopstick design. I'm going to give a few credits to this trick. It is made by KM Vlogs. He's linked in my description down below, so you might want to go check that out. And he actually does a video on this, but I thought it'd be fun to just do another video. Remember to like the video if you like my content, and if you like my challenges, definitely go check those out. I'll have them linked in the annotations of the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.